Okay, this is the upper level question, 90 and above, of graph a line from an equation in standard form. This is 7MZ on your 8th grade IXL. Question reads, graph this function using intercepts. You have 70x minus 30y equals negative 2100. Okay, so maybe you're stuck on these because they're bigger numbers. At any rate, let's go over the process. So remember, if we can isolate or get rid of the other term, we can figure out our x-axis intercept and our y-axis intercept. So step number one, let's write the question down. So 70x minus 30y equals negative 2100. Okay, so what do we want to find first? Let's find the x-axis intercept first. So if I want to find the x, I need to get rid of the y by putting a 0 in there. So let's do that. 70x minus 30 times 0 equals negative 2100. By doing that, if you get fast at it, you won't have to do that. You could skip that step, but this is basically gone now. Leaving 70x equals negative 2100. And x, when we divide both sides by 70, is going to be negative. Well, we know 77 7 goes into 21 three times. So this is going to be, let's see, it's going to be 30, 21, and two zeros. Yep. It's going to be negative 30. Okay. Now, we have the x-axis intercept of negative 30. So we look at our x-axis. If this is negative 20 and this is negative 40, then this has to be negative 30. It has to be in between those. Okay, let's erase this rest and we will look at the y-axis intercept now. Okay, let's go up here and we'll do 70x minus 30y equals negative 2100. Okay, if we want to find the y-axis intercept, we have to solve for y. So we're just going to get rid of x. If you get really fast at it, you know a 0 is going to be here. You can just cross this out. It'll be negative 30y equals negative 2100. And I know I could divide both sides by negative 30. Cancels out 2y. And 3 goes into 21 7 times. And since they're both negative, it's going to be positive. And it's going to be 70. Negative or positive 70. So our y-axis intercept is at positive 70. If this is 60, we're looking on the y-axis. And this is 80, this has to be 70.